Hi guys, welcome to the Magic Table. So today we're going to show the dynamo switch trick. So as you can see, I'm just going to shuffle the cards. So now, just going to look that I can do that. Pause it. Pissing me off. You're pissing me off. Get lost. I can't do it. See,
Okay, fine,
hey, Naveen, stop.
Fine.
Hi guys, and welcome to the Magic Table. So today we're going to show the dynamo switch trick. As you can see, this is the blue deck. There's no other red. Oh, it's not red card like last time. So this card, the two of hearts, is your card. So just place your hand over it. So this card, the nine of spades, is my card. So I'm going to just put it here. Place my hand over it. So with the clip, they both change. Two of hearts and nine of spades. As you can see, guys, so the tutorial on this is you need two of the same cards. So I've got nine of spade, nine of spade.
So basically,
and
I just gave him one of mine. You have the same deck.
Yep. So you place it like this order, and then you get a pinky break here, and then you get another pinky break here. And then you show that this is their card, but nine of spades behind it. And then you place it, and then you don't need just need a pinky break now. And you put it there, nine of spades. And then you show that it's nine of spades, but it's two of hearts behind. And then you put the two of hearts here. It's all swap, nine of spades, two of hearts.
And if you want to, make the story up for it, makes tricks better.
So please subscribe, like and comment, guys. Thank you for watching.